Taipei 101, the world's tallest skyscraper. 508 meters of the most high-tech engineering and construction on the planet. Out of Taiwan into the future. To clean the entire building takes 4 teams of 2 workers 3 months. The job is so big that as soon as it's finished, it's time to start again. Inside and out, Taipei 101 pushes the boundaries. A unique-looking building that has changed the face of construction, design and engineering forever. The tallest building in the world. The elevators are the fastest in the world. Traveling at 60 kilometers per hour, they go from level 5 to level 89 in only 37 seconds. Each carriage is pressurized to avoid ear damage, streamlined to minimize noise, and electronically balanced to ensure a ride so smooth that even a coin won't topple on the incredible journey. The solution will combine 2 revolutionary systems. First, a braced megaframe joined to 8 super columns filled with a mixture of steel and concrete. And a tuned mass damper, a giant pendulum, the weight of 10,000 people, designed to oppose the effect of wind. The combination of these 2 concepts is groundbreaking.
Zašto ovako tako brzo ide?
各位贵宾，我们即将抵达5楼，谢谢。お客様、これから5階に参ります。Ladies and gentlemen, you are
Sad ćeš malo osjetiti kad ide prema dolje, ne?
各位贵宾，您可以吞咽口水以减缓耳朵的不适。お客様、耳が痛くなる場合、唾を飲み込んでください。Ladies and gentlemen, you may swallow to you did this cover in your years. 各位贵宾，我们已经抵达我了，谢谢您，并期待您再度莅临。お客様、ご来でございます。ありがとうございました。We have arrived at Preko. Thank you and hope to see you.